Welcome guys to another video, and it's a new week and we are gonna be doing something every week. If you've not tuned into the channel yet and you don't know what we're doing every week, then shame on you. I'm just joking, I'm just kidding. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. I'm on my FutureAdPro account because we are going to do another withdrawal. A new week has passed, guys. I'm currently using FutureAdPro to fund my business, to do things like it should be done, and to follow a system which is my own strategy called the Pro system, which helps you consistently pump out new leads, get new traffic to your offers, and actually generate sales this way. Now, obviously, I cannot guarantee anything, and results are not typical, guys. I have to give an income disclaimer in every video because I'm not somebody who's a financial advisor. I'm actually somebody who's giving you guys an actual strategy that can work if you take the action to do it. So in this video, we're going to show you how the strategy works, whether I'm getting withdrawals or no, whether FutureAdPro is paying or not, because some people are worried about that. And some tips and tricks here and there. I know that I got a person who was asking me recently about the verification and the withdrawal process, and when can I withdraw and what do I need to do and stuff like that. So we're going to cover those things in this video today. Okay, so don't worry about it, and we're going to cover as much as I can. If you do have any questions, guys, I would recommend you to put them in the comments so that in the future videos I cover them. Okay, I'm here sharing you my progress, my proof and results, because I think that it is very valuable for you to see the growth that this company can give you in case, or the strategy that it can give you in case you do wish to join with me. And if you don't, then it's fine just watching these videos, and definitely subscribing to the channel so you get more constant updates on it. Okay, so recently I put out a video on 2 ways to generate leads on FutureNet, but we're looking at FutureAdPro in this video. And FutureAdPro, guys, if you don't know, is a advertising platform. It's a revenue sharing advertising platform that is now, if I'm not mistaken, already more than 2 years old. They are shifting to a new website. It's part of the ecosystem of FutureNet. Now, what is an ecosystem? You can check out my video on this channel that I've gone through exactly what an ecosystem is and how it can help out and provide. In fact, let me link that video in the description in case you're interested to understand what a financial ecosystem is. FutureAdPro is a brilliant source of income, at least for myself. Let me just share with you guys how much in commissions I've made since I've joined this platform in 2016. So almost $14,000 in commissions. I should be reaching it in about a day or so. But yeah, $14,000 in commissions, guys. That is incredible to have in one income stream itself. That there are 6 income streams in the Pro system, which you can check out if you want to work with me. But FutureAdPro is just one of them. So imagine the potential that you can have if you're going ahead and doing this, right? So I want to give you guys a little bit of proof, just to show you guys that I have been withdrawing from this every single week for the last few months now, and you can check out exactly, being very transparent in this video, guys. Okay, and all my other videos. In fact, this is part of a playlist. If you're watching this, it's part of a playlist that has all the withdrawals that I've done, and you can check it out yourself, and it can date back to whenever I just started doing the withdrawal. So it's your due diligence, let's say, if you want to check out whether I'm talking something stupid or something real, or it doesn't really matter. I'm shooting this video because I think it's valuable. So I'm gonna scroll down and show you guys my payouts. So I started taking out money in 2017, but let's say if I focused on getting actually more a consistent flow of leads and income every single week from 2018. To be precise, let's take it as May 2018, because that's when I started with full blow every single week withdrawals. Actually, I started in April, if you can see right here, but it was not every single week. From May, it's every single week, guys. Okay, from May, June, as you can see, it's every single week that's happening. So what I did was I tested the platform out, CoinDeal, on the 15th of June, and then from then I've just been withdrawing every single week to fund my account. Okay, and you can see right here, 30th of June, 15th of June, 30th of June. The first time, then 8th of July, 14th, then it goes on 60, 60. And if you can see, it's the same amount every single week. So what I do is I withdraw the same amount every single week so that you guys can see the consistency. If I miss a week, I take out for 2 weeks. Okay, so there's always videos on how I am withdrawing. So last week there was a problem, etc. It got confirmed. If I move my face for a second, you can see that it was accepted last week's. This is last week's withdrawal. We're already in November, guys. This is 3rd of November, and today is the 11th of November. So as you can see very clearly that I did withdraw last week, and it was accepted. And I've withdrawn so far over almost $2,100 from FutureAdPro itself. Now, what are we going to do in this video? Like I said, we're going to definitely make a withdrawal, but to back that up, I want to show you that I have been withdrawing to CoinDeal. So let's go ahead and look at CoinDeal. I'm in my wallet, and it'll show no money at the moment because I've taken money out. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys exactly that. But as you can see, I receive money, account credited, account debited. So this is a payout. So I waited for these two to come in, and then I took this out and paid for traffic with it. Okay, again, money in, money in, money out, money in, money in, money out, and it goes on and on. There are 3 pages of these. Okay, so that means and CoinDeal itself also, guys, is paying out. It's not like I'm not taking out money from CoinDeal or it's getting stuck there or something like that. No, I'm using it as a wallet, and I'm also using it to withdraw money from that and do it wherever and take it wherever I want for whatever traffic I need. Okay, if I have to send this money to my Wirex account and then use it from my Wirex account to even withdraw into an ATM, definitely I can do that. Okay, so CoinDeal is what I use. If you're in the US, you will have to use Bitcoin and not CoinDeal. At the moment, with the new platform, which is going to be launched, as far as I can tell, in December, there are going to be some changes. You will have to be withdrawing with FutureCoin only. If you want to know what FutureCoin is, guys, again, go through my channel. You'll find videos on FutureCoin. But that's not a problem for me personally, and I would say anybody who has CoinDeal, it's not an issue, because if I just go to like choose markets, or just go to, let us say, markets right here. Sorry about that Indian accent I'm putting out. Yeah, so if I go to markets right here, guys, you can see FutureCoin is one of the markets. Let's just hope. Yep. So you can see FutureCoin is one of the top markets here on CoinDeal. So it's just about getting the money here. And in FutureNet, if you see, you can easily do it through FutureCoin and get a really good fee and stuff like that. And when you're in CoinDeal, you can convert it to Bitcoin and then just withdraw, stuff like that. So for me, there's not many changes that are going to happen with the new FutureAdPro, which is going to be an updated version of the website. It's basically a 2.0. It's just like having a new phone, right? It works faster, it works better, and the concept remains the same. It's a phone. So the same thing is happening with FutureAdPro. Things are changing in terms of the layout, the website, stuff like that, but the concept and everything else is going to remain the same. Okay, we'll go into details when it's more already in the new website. Right now, I just want to show you like exact proof that I have been receiving funds and everything. Now, if you want to check out my wallet in terms of, let's say, my transactions. Okay, let's look at my transactions for a second, or rather, actually, let's go to wallets again, and I want you guys to see a little bit more detail into this. So as you can see, I got amount on the 6th, okay, 6th of November, and I withdrew on the 3rd. So it took me around 3 days, honestly. Okay, it took 3 days for FutureAdPro to confirm my account, confirm my amount, and get it sent and accepted to CoinDeal. Okay, 3 days. That's what I personally do. Now let's go ahead and actually make the withdrawal, and then we're going to talk about the strategy. So I'm going to put again 60 here. As you can see, I have 134. There's a reason why I'm keeping extra funds in my account. I want to fund the passive program in my business. And if you want to know more about that, you can again go through my channel, guys. All these videos that I put out are on my channel, so definitely subscribe and go ahead and do that. Okay, if you want to earn passively there. So we're going to put 60 because that's the amount that we want to withdraw, right? And let's go down, scroll down, and we need to put here our password for FutureAdPro. Done. Okay, so I'm going to do that again because sometimes I don't trust myself because I'm talking and I don't want to make a mistake. And now we go to deposit here in CoinDeal, and it'll give the wallet address right here. All you need to do is copy that, go back to the page, insert it there, make sure that there are no spaces, nothing, and then I'm going to click on payout. Okay, but before I click on payout, I want to make sure that I'm getting it through Bitcoin CoinDeal, which is what I want. Okay, so I put it Bitcoin CoinDeal, and you see it disappeared, so I need to put it again. And it says very clearly here, 5% of your payout goes to your FutureNet upgrade account. What this means is that you can use the funds to upgrade into up to the Royal member in FutureNet. Okay, so let's click on payout and agree. And if I scroll down, you're gonna, if I refresh this page, actually, you're gonna see something very interesting. You're gonna see right here, okay, you're gonna see right here that it says waiting for email confirmation. And in fact, I got a buzz on my phone that I had an email. So let's go back to we'll come to this in a second, guys. As you see here, it says important. Do you want a payout of $60 US? Yes, I do. So I'm going to click on yes. It's going to take me back to FutureAdPro, redirect me there. Okay, and I'm going to move my face maybe. Yeah, I'm going to move my face so that you guys can see. Okay, I'm going to scroll down, and right here it says now waiting. So what it means basically is now the same as last week. FutureAdPro has to go into my account, has to say, okay, you want $60 US, confirm, click confirm, send to CoinDeal, and then I will get the funds into CoinDeal. Now I'm going to do this for next 3 weeks, and then I'm going to withdraw from CoinDeal into my other account, or basically I'm going to send money from CoinDeal to buy traffic. Okay, we'll talk about that in just a second. This is what's happened. So I've already requested my withdrawal. Next week, you're going to see that it's going to be confirmed and everything else. I have not got any, not had ever since I've been doing withdrawal since June. It's June, July, August, September, October. We have 5 months that we've been doing withdrawals, guys, and I have not had any issues with any withdrawals so far. So this is something that is very crucial to the plan, okay? But I cannot guarantee. It depends on where you are, which country you're in, what's going on with the payouts in your country. But as you can see, $60 US is already down from the account, and that's a brilliant thing for me. Okay, so I'm not worried about that. And as we go ahead, we're going to be withdrawing more funds every single week. All you have to do with FutureAdPro, guys, if you're first time watching this these kind of videos, FutureAdPro is an advertising revenue sharing site. All you need to do is watch 10 ads and buy an ad pack. What this does is when you buy an ad pack, a $50 ad pack, which I suggest, okay, you get a share in the revenue by watching 10 ads per day, every 24 hours, okay? And this is 120% it will reach, and then it'll give you basically from 50, you get 60 back. Okay, that's how it shares until it reaches 60. If you want to see, I'll give you an example. If I click on ad packs, you can see that each ad pack is going up. As you can see right here, these are almost 60. Okay, but if I scroll down, all these are expired ad packs fulfilled. So all of these have given me 60, 60, and 60, and 60. Okay, so each ad pack needs to give you $60 US. That's the whole basis of it. Now, it does depend on the revenue of the company. It does depend on how things are moving with the company. So I cannot guarantee that it's going to be the same amount every single day. In fact, I'm not even giving you how long it will take to reach this 120%. But definitely, this platform has been the most consistent platform in the last 2 years that I have seen online. So definitely something to look at, okay? Great. Now I want to go quickly and just talk to you about FutureNet, the main Facebook page. They put out a small update on FutureAdPro that is going to be more efficient, faster. As I said, it's going to be just a newer version of the website, which is quite cool. They've branded it differently, but at the end of the day, it's the same concept. Now, finally, guys, I'm going to go into the strategy like I do in every single video of mine. I just prepared it earlier because I didn't want to waste time, on explaining exactly. The Pro system, guys. The Pro system is a strategy and a system that I have put into place, which helps you keep your business running and flowing and actually generating leads and sales on a consistent basis if you take the action consistently. That's why in the middle of this whole diagram, there is consistency mentioned, okay? So I have a digital product, instant pay digital product called on Easy One Up, which has $25, $100, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000 commissions directly to your bank account if you want it. Okay, instant commissions. That's what I use. 30% of each sale that I make, I put into traffic. Okay, so 30% of each sale that I make here, I put into traffic. FutureNet, FutureAdPro, which you guys see every single week, I withdraw money and I put it into traffic. Now, what does traffic do? It generates leads to my system. It shows people what I have to offer, and it allows me to grow a following that keeps me in business any which ways. Okay, so the main aim of the game here is actually to build your list, build your leads, and get people to understand what you're selling. So when I send them to the Pro system, which is, by the way, built on Online Sales Pro and Aweber, okay, it promotes Easy One Up and FutureNet and these two. So it automatically gives me 4 streams of income, okay? And it's a win-win because I remove money from here, I get to buy traffic, and practically I'm not taking out any money from my pocket, okay? I'm not spending anything. I'm creating my own traffic budget from my current businesses. I'm letting my business pay for itself, guys. That is the strategy, okay? But you have to do this week in and week out. I've reached 50 ad backs to around 60 ad backs here on FutureAdPro. Remove the money, take it out 60 every single week into traffic, and this goes on and on and on and on every single week. And these videos prove that I'm following the strategy. So if you want to see results and if you want to actually follow it with me, then please, there's a link in the description called the Pro System that's only for serious marketers who actually want to make a difference and have not seen any results so far. Take the action right now, okay? My name is David Pino. They also call me Tips with Dave. Subscribe to the channel in case you want to know anything more about what I'm doing, and the links are in the description in case you need anything else. Otherwise, I'm going to see you next week for another withdrawal. Have a great week ahead.